Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths class. In today's class, we will complete the median exercise. That is exercise 21B. We were doing in the previous class, isn't it? We have done till question number 3 and today we will start from question number 4 onwards. So, what we have to do in it? We have to find the median value, okay, the middlemost value. So how to find it? There are two ways to find it. We will see the number of observation. If it is odd, then the formula is different. If it is even, then the formula is different. Only you have to observe whether the number of observation given to us is even or odd, and then we will decide which formula we have to apply. Okay, so now let's see question number 4 children. Find the median of first 10 even numbers. Find the median of first 10 even numbers. This is question number 4 of exercise 21B. And children, please remember that you have to do till question number 7 only. There are total 10 questions in exercise 21B, but we are doing till question number 7 only. Up to this question is prescribed in your syllabus. Now question number 4 is median of first 10 even numbers. So we will write the first 10 even numbers first. Question number 4. First 10 even numbers are. First 10 even numbers are. Okay, it's not visible. It's not visible. Wait. Let me write just below it. First 10, question number 4. Yes, it is visible. First 10 even numbers are. First 10 even numbers are. What are those? Is 1 is the even number? No. 2 is the even number? Yes. So 2 is the smallest even number and the very first number. So 2 is the smallest even number, then 4, then 6, then 8 and then 10 till here we have collected 5 even numbers. 5 more we need, total 10 even numbers we need. Na? So it is 12, 16, no not 16, 12, after 12 it is 14, 16, 18 and then 20. These are the 10 even first even numbers. These are the 10 first even numbers. Now we have to find the median. So we should know that what are the number of observations. So number of observation, that is n, here is 1 2 3 4. How many children? It will be 10 only, na? 10 ही तो लिया है हमने. So 10 observation, total 10 observation. 1 2 3 4 5 6 करके total 10 observation we have taken. So n is equal to 10. Means n is even here. N is even here. And for finding the even number of observation, for finding the median, the formula is what, children? If you remember, write down. If you remember, write down. Median. No need to wait for your ma'am. Write down what is the formula and then match it. Median, when the number of observation is even, it will be how much? It will be, I hope you all have written now. Now focus here. It will be equal to half. We will write half of what? N by 2th observation. N by 2th observation plus N by 2. First of all, we will write N by 2. Then one more. So plus 1. Th observation. In this way, you can write the formula. What is the formula? 1 by 2. Then in a bracket n by 2th observation plus n by 2 and then plus 1. It will be additional 1. No need to write this plus 1 with n in the numerator. No, it is separate one. N by 2 is different and then plus 1. You will do plus 1 in that th observation. So now what is n? N is 10. N is 10. Total number of observations were 10. So n is 10. So 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2th observation, then again n is 10, so 10 by 2 and then plus 1 plus 1th observation. Okay, wherever it is n, I have put n. The value of n is 10. So wherever in the formula n is there, we will write 10. Okay. Now next is equal to half of, then in a bracket, this is 10 by 2, that is fifth observation. Fifth observation. And this is 10 by 2. 10 by 2 means 5. 5 plus 1 children. 10 by 2 यहाँ से मिल जाएगा आपको 5 and 5 plus 1, that is 6. Sixth observation. So what is fifth observation? Just see the value which is given in already in ascending order. It is already in ascending order. First observation, second, third, fourth observation. This is fifth observation. So fifth observation, and we will write it as 10. Fifth observation is 10. Then plus, what is sixth observation? Obviously it will be the next one, that is 12. This is the sixth observation and it is 12. Sixth observation में क्या है बेटा? 12 है. So now we will write it. How we will write it? We will write median is equal to half of 10 plus 12. 10 plus 12 will be 22. 10 plus 12 will be 22, and then just solve it. So median is equal to 22. Median is equal, not 22, it is 11. After calculating, we will get 11. Okay. Median is equal to 11. Median is equal to 11. Clear? So in this way we can find the median. Now let's see the next question. Okay. Next question is question number 6, children. I am erasing the board work. I hope you all are writing question number 6. I am erasing the board work. Now let's see question number 6. The marks of 15 students out of 50. The marks of 15 students. Just you imagine your 15 friends and you have obtained marks out of 50. Okay, in an exam. So the marks are given. Find the median marks. Find the median marks. So what we will do, children? We will write down 15 is there, na? It is 15. 15 students means 15 observations will be there. 15 marks students means 15 observation will be there. So now let's start solving it. It's very important and very good question, children. Question number 6. Data, marks of 15 students. Marks of 15 students. Marks of 15 students are. Marks of 15 students are. What we will do? We will write the marks. See, the marks is, they are 20, then 22, 26, 31, 40. Write it sincerely, children. If it will be wrong, then our data will be, the answer will be wrong. 40, after 40 it is 19, 17, 19, 17, and then again 19, then 25, 29, 25, 29, 23, and then 17, 24, 21, and 35. So if we will use this data, if we will use this data, our median will be wrong, children, isn't it? You know it very well. What you have to do for finding mean, mode, median, everything which you have to do in this chapter, write the given data in ascending order always. I know that in median it is not required, but if you will write, it will be helpful for you only. And median में तो बहुत ज़रूरी है, and for the next part, that is mode, that is also compulsory to write it in ascending order. Then you will get the answer very quickly. So let's write down the smallest one who got the lowest mark. Let me see, 17 out of 50, isn't it? So 17 and not less than 17, na children? Yes, 17 is the lowest one. So data in ascending order, or marks, student marks in ascending order. In ascending order. Students marks in ascending order. यहाँ पे आप लिखिए students marks in ascending order. क्या है बेटा? First we will write the लोएस्ट वन 17 दो बार आया है, दो बच्चों का है, 17 and 17. Then after 17 someone got 19, so 19. So 19 two times again it's come. Then after that 20 is there, yes 20 is there. Is any other 20? No, कोई और 20 नहीं है. Then 21, search for 21, yes 121 is there, so only 121. Then 22, okay 22 भी एक ही बार है बेटा. Then 23, it also comes one time. 23 के बाद then it is 24, and then 24, after 24 25, yes 125 is there, and then 26 ये हो गया. Then 26, after 26 it is, ये तो 30 में है, ये 40 में है, so 29 and then 31, 29 and then 31. Then after that all we have covered, so only 35 and 40 it is left. Now count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Correct. All 15 data we have taken it from here and arranged it in ascending order. We have arranged the data in ascending order. Now how many data, how many observations are there? Observation children, how many observations are there? It is 15. Number of observations were 15. So n is 15. That is, you will write n is odd. N is odd. Now next, so n median for finding odd number of observation. It is median for finding odd number of observation is what children? For odd number of observation it is n plus 1 by 2th term. n plus 1 by 2th term. ठीक है, 2th observation या 2th term. So what is n? We know n is 15. So put 15 in place of n. जहाँ पर n दिख रहा है आपको, write down 15. So 15 plus 1 whole upon 2 observation. So it is 16 by 2. 15 plus 1 means 16 by 2th observation. That is, or it is 16 by 2, that is 8th observation. It is 8th observation. So median is 8th observation, but we will not stop here. We will find what is the 8th observation. So let's start seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the 8th observation. 23 is the 8th observation from the beginning. First observation, second observation, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and 8th. So what is median? Median is how much children? It is 23. In the given data, the median is 23. Median marks is 23 out of 50. So it means if we will find that whether the marks of the students in the class, its median is 23, now it's not very good, isn't it? It should be more than that. If the median marks is above 40, then only we can say that class is good. Every student had got good marks. So in this way we used to observe also. We used to find, as a teacher also we used to observe that what is the status of my class. What if we have to compare the class marks, different class marks, then we can find these things to find the status, to find the real report of our student, in which class we have to focus more. Now each and every class is important, but somewhere we need the data also, that whatever we are teaching, whatever we are telling to our students, whether they are getting it or not through the exams, through the test. Okay, so we can take this mean, mode, median for finding it. Now next question is, see question number 7. The ages in years of 10 teachers in a school are this much. Children, just write down the data. Already whatever written in your book, write down the data and then we will write it in ascending order. Okay, I am just erasing the board work. Okay, now see here, question number 7. The ages of 10 teachers in a school are. So we will write down the ages of 10 teachers. Ages of 10 teachers, children, in a school. Ages of 10 teachers you can write in this way only. So they are, it is 24, 34, 37, 53, 46, 52, then 43, 31, then 36, 40 and 50. These are the ages of 10 teachers. And now what we will do, we will write down the date, the observation, the given data in ascending order first. The very first step, children, always remember, write down the data in ascending order. Ages of teachers in ascending order. Ages of teachers in ascending order. It is, which one is the smallest one, children? It is 31. Okay. Then after 31 comes 34, then 34 and then 36, then 37. After 37 it will come about for 40 na? 30 is over now, it's 40, so 40, then after 40 it is 43, 46, and then 50, 52, 53, 50, 52 and 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 teachers age. Now what is the value? N is what? N is odd, even here. N is even here. 10 is even. So N is 10, that is N is even here. Now median for finding even number of observation. Median for finding even number of observation. Should I write in the beginning? Okay, I'm going to write it in at the top. I'm going to write it at the top because see, you can see that the space is not there. So we will write formula. First of all, we will write formula and then put the value also. Question number, formula we can write it here. Half of n by 2th observation. Always write the formula, children. In this way you will remember the formula also. 1 by 2, then n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation. So much. Now what is n? N is 10. N is 10, so we can put the value of n here. 10 by 2th observation, and then plus 10 by 2 plus 1th observation. Till here I think the problem, there is no problem, isn't it? And in place of n we will write 10. In place of n we will write 10, and the rest of the things we will write as it is. What is n? N is 10. 10 observations are there, total 10. Now I'm going to solve here. Median is equal to 1 by 2, and then what is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is 5th observation, then plus 10 by 2 plus 1, so 5 plus 1, this is 6th observation. 6th observation. 5th observation plus 6th observation. Okay. Now half of, what is 5th observation, children? First, second, third, fourth, 5th. 40 is the 5th observation. 40 is the 5th observation. So write down 40 plus, what is 6th observation? Next after 5th, no? 5th के बाद ही आएगा 6th. First, second, third, fourth, 5th, and then this is the 6th observation. So 43. Now we will calculate half of 40 plus 43 is 83. 40 plus 43 is 83. And when you will divide it by 2, then you will get 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, and then 1 will be left, 2 5s are 10. 41.5. 41.5. So the median is, you can write it here, hence the median is 41.5, and keep it in a bracket so that it will be highlighted. It is messy here. Right now it is messy here. You can write it. Just after that, what you have to write? You have to write that median is 41.5. Isn't it? Median is 41.5. Answer. Median of 10 ages, 10 teachers ages is 41.5. So write down in this way. So in this way we have completed exercise 21B. Now let's move to the mode. If you will see the exercise, children, only 2 questions you have to do in exercise 21C. Only 2 questions, children. Syllabus is already posted. I have posted it in the app, so you can see it from there that according to the syllabus we have to do only question number 1 and 2 of exercise 21C. So before that, let's see what is mode, children. What is mode? See, mode is the number that occurs most often. Mode is the number that occurs most often. Okay, like in this, which occurs most? See, 56 and 56. Total 3 times 56 occurs. Maximum number of time it occurs. That's why it is the mode. If you will see this case, if some data is repeated or often most of the time, no, all the datas are different, so there is no mode in this question. So in this, if you will have data, if we will provide the data to you, you have to see which particular observation is having the maximum number of occurrence. That is the mode. Okay, now let's see the next one, children. The next one is, see this, how to determine the mode in a set of scores. Like this, the data is given here. The data is given, children, 3 4 5 5 5 6 6 7 8 8 9. These are the observation in a given data. Okay, and we have written it in ascending order first. See, if you will not write it in ascending order na, and then you have to find which data has come most of the time, it occurs most of the time, then you may feel difficulty at that time. So better to write the data in ascending order. Now let's see it. 3 4 5 5 5, then 6 6 is there, then 5 occurs 3 times, isn't it, children? 5 occurs 3 times. That's why the mode is 5. And if you will see the next set of data, it is 3 4 5 5 5, then 6 6 6, then 8 8 and 9. So here 5 occurs 3 times and 6 also occur 3 times. Okay, wait. Here, see in this question, 5 occurs 3 times and 6 occurs 6 also occurs 3 times. If you will see the screen, earlier I have missed the screen. Now see the screen, children. See the second portion, second set. So 5 occurs 3 times and 6 also occurs 3 times. So what will be the mode? So both 5 and 6 will be the mode. And if you will see the last set of data, there is no mode in this. Set of data. Okay. 1 mode is unimodal, 2 mode is bimodal, 3 modes is trimodal, and more than 1 mode is also called as multimodal. It is not in your syllabus, but you can have an idea of this also. That's why I have included this picture. Okay. So what we have concluded? We have concluded from this PPT that, see, I can give you one more, that see this picture, children. Okay, now these are the heights of different people, isn't it? Heights, it's an image of height of different people, isn't it? So 150 centimeter, 150 centimeter, then it comes 160 centimeter, then 170, 180 and 180. So 2 times 150 occurs and 2 times 180 occurs. 2 times 150 centimeter occurs in the given set of data, and 180 also occurs 2 times. So who is the maximum? Both were same, na? So here 150 is also the mode and 180 is also the mode. Can you see the picture? So I hope this picture is clear to you. Then let's see the another example. See this example, children. The set of data is given to you. First of all, we will put it in ascending order. After writing it in ascending order, you can see that 3 occurs 3 times and 4 also occur 3 times. Maximum number of occurrences of 3 and 4. 5 occurs only 2 times, so we will leave 5. So here 3 occurs 3 times, 4 also occurs 3 times. So 3 and 4 both were the mode. Okay. Now it comes the empirical formula. What is empirical formula, children? Mode is equal to thrice of median minus twice of mean. What is the empirical formula, children? If you want to find the mode, then if you are having the value of median as well as mean, then we can use this empirical formula. You have to see it very carefully. What is empirical formula? Although we are not doing it by this method with this formula, but you should remember it. Mode is equal to thrice of median minus twice of mean. We will use this formula only when we have more than one mode. Okay, so remember the empirical formula also. Children, what I am hoping is, I am preparing the things which is coming in my mind is that in the next class I will do a revision of all these 3 exercises, isn't it? One more chapter is left, that is data handling, collection and organization of data, the bar graph. That also we will do, and we can do the revision also. So let's quickly complete exercise 21C also. Exercise 21C also. Now see this. This is the question. Find the mode of the data. Find the mode of the data. So write down the question, and I am erasing the board work so that we can complete this exercise by today. We can complete this exercise by today, children. Mode we have to find. So what we will do? We will write the data in ascending order first. We will write the data in ascending order. Now see the question number 1 of exercise 21C I am starting today. So let's solve one question, then we will do the other questions in the next class along with the revision. I will pick some questions and then we will do it. This is exercise 21C, children. Exercise 21C. Find the mode of the given data. 10, 8, 4, 7, 8, 11, 15, 8, 6, 8. Clearly after writing you can see which one is the mode, but then also we have to do data in ascending order. Data in ASCENDING. Data in ascending order. This is smallest one is 4, then 6, isn't it? 6. After 6 it is 7, and then 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 times 8 occurs. 8 and 8. Then it comes for no 9 is there, so 10, 11 and 15. 10, 11 and 15. 10, 11 and 15. So all we have written, isn't it? Now, which occurs most of the time? 8. High mode. Mode. What is mode, children? Mode is the highest number of occurrence. So what is the mode here? 8. You can write it as mode. The the value which occurs most frequently. Value occurs most frequently. Value occurs most frequently. Value occurs most frequently. So which one is the most frequent number, जो सबसे ज्यादा बार आया? Which one is the mode? Here mode is 8. Mode is 8, not 4 children. 4 नहीं लिखेंगे. The number which occurs most quickly, that is 8. So in this way we can do the exercise. So in next class I will pick the leftover questions, as well as we will do the revision. I will take one or two questions, so that we can find the mean, mode and median, all the three in a particular question of itself. एक ही क्वेश्चन में हम सारा करेंगे, ठीक है? So in this way we can revise this chapter, and then in the next, after that class, we will start the last chapter of our mathematics annual syllabus, that is collection of and organization of data. ठीक है? So till then, till here beta, at least till here complete it. You can complete till question number 7 of exercise 21B. Okay? Take care, children.